Oh, hold my borscht. What the heck?
Hold my borscht. Relax.
Oh my
Jeez.
gosh. And rice.
So here we have my wife, Mama Sip. It's been a hot minute since I did actually like a full-blown video adjustment on you. Mm-hmm. I know I'll do like smaller adjustments throughout the week, but when I actually get you for a full...
It's very rare where I get the full body workup.
Mm-hmm. Like my patients do. Mm-hmm. Paying patients do. I'm kidding. And I know obviously definitely been busy with, I know, editing and whatnot. Mm-hmm. Finally got your new channel up.
Yep, Mama Sip Slots. I do slot machines, gambling. Probably a little controversial, but we have fun with it. It's our way to kind of get away and have fun.
Yeah, I mean, as parents, you know,
you need something to kind of...
Yeah, and there's something fun that we like doing together. Obviously, we know, you know, we always, like, we never, you know, put money that we don't have, or we're never, you know, over...
Don't gamble with what you can't lose, that's for sure.
Basically, it's fun. It's our way of, you know, having fun. It's our entertainment. If we win, that's great. If we lose, that's great. We had fun doing.
Yep, exactly.
But yeah, there's a lot of channels out there like that. Got a little inspiration from my sister, Lady Luck, on that one. So, but yeah, I know you've now done, I don't know, you got quite a few videos out there. And
yeah, and I've been posting on everywhere, as you know, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. TikTok's probably the fastest growing, and then Instagram.
Yeah.
But that's just adding on to all the editing and trying to put in with that.
And then with all of my stuff too. Mm-hmm. So we're just adding on more work for ourselves, as you can tell.
As soon as things get a little easier, we can't have it go easy. Gotta add more work.
How are you feeling for the most part?
For the most part, pretty good. It's just like your everyday stiffness, and then I always hold my tension between my shoulder blades and going up into my shoulders and neck.
Okay, and then
it's probably my posture because I still.
And then you get that one spot, usually in the.
It's my left side.
Left side low.
Yeah, it's almost like sciatic pain. But it triggers it every time I go to the gym, and I'll do anything with squats or like those machines where you work out the inner or outer thighs.
Yeah, which I told you like those ones to kind of avoid.
Yeah.
Just because.
Which I don't, but it keeps flaring that up.
Go face down. Let's check leg length.
Leg length or lack thereof.
Bilateral short leg. No, honestly, not bad. Left is a tiny bit shorter than the right, but not too bad there. We'll bring this down actually just a little. There you go. Tighten this up here. Let me know if any pain with this, but yeah, tighten here too.
It's that area. Shoulder blades and up.
So no actual pain, correct?
Just stiffness, tightness.
Okay.
Always makes my ears itch.
Vibrating now. Get that blood flowing.
Yeah, I don't know why I always jerk right there.
Alright, let me have you sit up on the table. Relax, relax.
Oof.
Jeez, I
Already went.
It was going. I was like, oh, you weren't supposed to go that quick. Go, face down for me. So we're gonna hit that upper, the middle, and lower thoracic.
Oh.
Tight on that one. We'll go a little bit further down. There we go. This one, take a deep breath in and out. There.
Oh. I'm surprised you got that one. Those are hard to get.
Well, probably because you actually needed it. It's been a hot minute. Okay. Sit up on the table for me. Bring one leg on each side.
Which way? This way?
You're good. Whatever's more comfortable. I'm gonna rotate you this way.
Oh. Whoa. Holy moly.
I'll come this way. Oh, there we go. How'd that feel?
Amazing.
Good.
Actually, really good.
That's the.
Didn't even realize it needed to go that bad.
Good, good. No, that is hitting upper lumbar, lower thoracic, doing the seated lumbar adjustment like that. Go face down again. Let's check the sacrum. All right, we're gonna stabilize. Raise your right leg up. Any issues with that?
Just slightly tight, nothing painful or anything.
Compared, left side.
This one feels like I can go higher. This one feels tighter.
Okay. So that means we're gonna cross the bad leg over the good leg. Actually, this might be a little weighted. Oh, not too bad.
Ooh.
Across.
Oh.
That lumbar spine.
Oh.
Let me check this one. Good.
Oh. Hold my borscht.
Hold my borscht. Good here.
Was it off to begin with?
Tiny bit.
Oh.
Raise your right leg up again.
Oh yeah, a lot better.
Notice a difference?
Yeah.
Good. Sit up for me.
See, things move out of alignment so subtly, you don't even like realize until sometimes it's too late. Ooh. I have been doing a lot of this on the slot machines.
There it was.
Dang. I saved them for you. Oy, oy, oy. Oof. I felt that one, like as you were even doing the flick of the wrist, it was like crunch, crunch. I was ready to go. Mm-hmm. Mmm.
There we go.
All right.
Guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go on your side for me. I know.
Facing this way?
Yeah, face this
Okay.
way first. I know these. It wasn't anything too crazy off, but like leg length. But these are the ones. I mean, obviously, you know that we've been doing to get that, like that left lower's kind of sacrum, SI joint area feeling better for you. And I know I don't typically always do the side posture adjustments.
That went.
Oh, I know. I
Good.
heard the two. Click, click. I just thought if I stop too early, I want to make sure I get it all. Go that way. Yep.
Oh.
Go on your back. See, you still went.
Ooh. Oh my gosh. That felt great.
Both went between the hip and then the.
Mm-hmm. I felt everything. Oh.
Actually, slide down for me. Perfect. Arms up. Deep breath in and out. Yeah, even a couple more there.
Believe it, I know.
Perfect, perfect.
Should I stay here? What do you think? How's that? All right.
Pull your head through. Thank you.
I'm glad I didn't piss you off this week.
You sure about that?
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Rest.
Whoo.
What did you feel?
That was crunchy. My whole neck just from like my shoulder, like basically the whole neck, from the bottom of the neck all the way to the top, which is kind of, I mean, like I said, from shoulder blades up is always tight, but that was clearly where it needed it the most. That was amazing.
Good.
Perfect. Thank you, my love. Oh my gosh. Did you hear that crunch?
Oh, that one I heard. Pull your hair in front for me, babe.
Yahar.
Your hair.
Oh my gosh.
So I'm gonna do like with this, just a little bit light massage. I'll do a little bit of some soft tissue work. I know you're not the biggest fan of this guy. I don't have to use it. I have that just actually for like bad patients. My thumbs can take it.
Oh,
Relax. We're not going in heavy.
you can't, how can you relax with this? My legs immediately have chill bumps. Oof.
I'm not even going hard. That is literally so light. Patients, when they come in, I'm digging so much deeper.
So maybe I don't want to be a paying customer? Oh, yay.
Yeah, because your traps definitely get tight, but relax.
Oh,
Jeez.
and rice. Oh, that felt good.
Mm-hmm.
That part? I didn't say everything.
Alright, there we go.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
Great. Ready to hit the gym again. And the casino.
How are things feeling?
Good. Loose.
Neck, trap. I know this really wasn't bothering you, but that
No,
one-
it's actually this side.
Yeah, your left side.
But it's, no, I don't feel it at all right now. Normally it's like,
A little bit pulling.
yeah, if I'm like putting my shoes on or any bending, I'll feel it right here. But that's normally, like I said, after the gym if I do anything.
In, out, whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
So, thank you though.
You're welcome, babe. Follow up on Mama Sip over here. My wife, definitely check out her YouTube.
Yes, check us out on Mama Sip Slots. I'll actually include it in the description below so you guys can click through and check it out. TikTok.
Yeah, but those are shorter clips. The
Short
full
clips,
videos
yeah.
are going up on YouTube.
The best videos are on YouTube.
Yeah.
So, that's that.
Perfect.
Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.